Angel want you to know this today. My dearest child, I think it's beautiful how kind you are, how you care too much, how you give too much, how you express words of honesty in the softest way, in the most genuine way, in a way that inspires others to do the same. How you smile at passing strangers and hold the door wide open. How you respect boundaries and respond gracefully. How you love with no conditions, with so much conviction, with so much commitment. How you make eye contact and listen attentively. How you have the capacity to understand different perspectives, to understand everyone is healing, to understand projections are never personal. I think it's beautiful how you intentionally choose to be kind to define who you are. Type yes if you agree and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.